Paradise looks perfect until it tries to blow your roof off. I've been in Siargao for about 3 months now. Surf, sunsets, coconut trees, the dream. But what people don't tell you is that paradise also throws earthquakes and typhoons. When Typhoon Tino hit, a category 4 out of 5, the island shut down. No power, no Wi Fi, just rain, wind, and a reminder that nature always has the final say. At first, you panic, and then you realize this is life. You can't control the storm, you can only prepare for it. And that's what I learned here. Everyone helps each other. People share food, check on neighbors, rebuild together. And it's not about being fearless, it's about being ready and connected. Because storms don't just happen outside, they happen in life too. So the real question is, when it all hits, are you prepared? And are you surrounded by people who will help you rebuild?